Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your sporting goods store. Now, if you've randomly just stumbled across this video on YouTube and you aren't familiar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top here and I'm going to search for my market, sports and goods store. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our sports and goods store so it can generate a one-page website for us. I'm first going to put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. I'm now going to change the type of business to retail and I'm going to click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here as well as our email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our sports shop located? Let's go ahead and put that a street address in, as well as the postal code, as we've just put in the state and the city. Whoops. And click on continue. Awesome. Let's get our hours set up. What time does our sporting goods store open on a Monday? So I'm going to assume that we open early in the morning. We open at 9 a.m. and we have normal hours. So we close at 5 p.m. on a Monday. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm going to say we closed on a Sunday for rest and relaxation. I'm now going to click on continue. And nope, we're closed on Sundays. Okay, let's do a quick review. Let's make sure everything's in order, all our hours as well as our location. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to click on next and move along. Great. Look at that. MultiSite has literally generated a one-page website for me. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is that we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, and we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all very high quality and they're free to use, no license necessary. And we did this because we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your sports and goods store. However, if you've got your own images, perhaps you don't stock some of these products, and perhaps you want to make a few amendments to the different sections, I'm going to be showing you today exactly how to do that. You don't need to be a web professional or have any web development skills. You don't need to hire a web developer. There's no coding at all with the Mighty Sites platform. So I'm going to head my way to the top and I'm going to walk my way through each section just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So I'm going to head to the top over here and click on update section and work my way through. I'm now going to click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so your customers can easily get in touch with you with their queries. Let's click on save and head to update social links. Over here, you can put in your different social media platforms and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. So your customers can give you a follow, head to your social media account, see what your sports and goods store is up to. Let's click on save and let's move along. I'm now going to head to update section over here and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really grand. It looks very professional still until you can get that logo. I do recommend that you check out canva.com as there's some great options on there that are free to use. I do have a logo. I'm going to browse my device and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Awesome. I'm now going to click on save. Now we can customize our logo. We can make it slightly bigger or smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to make it that size and I'm going to leave it just the way it is, like that. And let's move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout the Mighty Sites page for your sporting goods store, I guess you could call this like a royal blue or a teal. Perhaps that doesn't go with your branding throughout your store, maybe on your signage, your logo, the board outside. It's a completely different color and it actually has nothing to do with this royal blue that was used here. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this fancy little paint bucket over here and work your way through the different color palettes available. So I'm going to scroll to the end and I'm just going to see which one that suits me best, that doesn't quite stand out. I really like this one, but let me look at a few more options. Yep, I think that one is pretty good, and that one is too. I think I want something quite dark, but that also could work. I'm very spoiled for choice here. I'm not entirely sure which one to choose, but I think actually like that would go well with sporting, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that one. Phew, let's move along. So as I said, pre-written content, as you can see here, images pre-selected, but you can amend it, and I'm going to show you just how to do that today. Let's hit update section and hit update image. Now, if you have your own images of your sports and goods store, go ahead and browse your device and upload them over here. Otherwise, feel free to search through the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for sports and goods store, and with this free image search or gallery, I guess you could call it, I have noticed you do need to be quite specific with certain terms and just play around with different keywords and see what works best for you. So I'm going to type in sporting and see what pops up. Let's take a look. Okay, these people are running like comrades marathon. So I'm going to try something a little bit more specific. I'm going to say cricket bats because my sporting goods store offers cricket. Yep, so something like this would be absolutely perfect. I'm going to go ahead and upload this image. Let's see if that works well. Look at that, that actually looks really great. I'm going to save my image selection and I'm now going to move along. Over here, you can amend that title and subtitle, which is the section over here, as well as that button. Maybe you don't want it to say get in touch. Maybe you want it to say view our specials, like your current deals that you have on. So over here, I'm going to say choose link. You can link to another website if necessary. You can link to another part of your Mighty Sites website that we're currently using, or we can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So that's where you could maybe pop all your latest deals or promotions or specials in a PDF format, upload it here. Let's see how that works. I'm just going to upload my Mighty menu. And then you're going to confirm it. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to that catalog or that little PDF file with all your current specials in it. Awesome. Let's check that out. There we go. So they can click on that button now and be taken directly to that PDF file. On to the next section over here. Again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Go ahead and click on update section and see how it works. Onto the About Us section over here, put a little bit more details of how your sporting goods store came to be, all the different equipment you offer. Maybe you offer services as well, like you can earn prints on soccer jerseys or football jerseys. Go ahead and put all the details here. Perhaps you're a sporting professional yourself and you've been in the sporting industry before or for the last couple of years. Go ahead and pop all those details here. Your customers would love to know. Another great spot for a high quality image, upload one of your own or choose one from that photo library I've just gone through. Over here is another great spot for a high quality image. This one works perfectly fine, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is, as I do stock those products at my sporting goods store. We've now made our way onto the services section, and over here you can put a little bit more details of the different services your sporting goods store offers. So perhaps you offer heat transfer, glove relacing, racket restringing. Maybe you do group fittings for sporting teams. Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to your sporting goods store for. And over here, let's make some amendments to those hours if need be, as well as that location. So look at that. I've literally gone through this website for my sports and goods store in literally less than 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be super tech savvy. It was such a breeze to go through it. If you have a custom domain, you can click on this button over here and connect it. If you don't quite have a domain yet, but you really want one because you understand with a professional website comes a custom domain, and it's also great for linking to your website, you can now officially purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We are all about convenience, so all you need to do is click on this button and you can purchase your own domain now. Don't forget to head over to our blog at www.martysites.com. Let's take a quick look at that. And then you can see all the great small business marketing tips that we have to offer. So I'm quickly going to scroll to the top and click on blog, and you can check out all the different helpful tips for small business marketing on our website. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how awesome it is to use the Mighty Sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.